media discussions have formed the basis for the themes presented in this video. Here you can also see graphics created with artificial intelligence techniques. Sharing what we have learned is the driving force of this video. Our greatest hope is that this video finds a meaningful plus for you. Also, this is a speculation about the 2025 Fiat Fastback. Launched with a coupe-like roofline, the Fiat Fastback is a unique and attractive subcompact crossover SUV that has quickly become a major player in several important countries, especially in South America, where it is popular in Brazil and Mexico. Instead than wondering when the 2025 model year will be, everyone is curious about the improvements, new features, and possible market expansions that Fiat plans to implement for this beloved car. The 2025 Fiat Fastback is set to receive a major mid-cycle refresh and will compete in the subcompact SUV segment. It will do this by providing a combination of attractive design, cutting-edge technology, and efficient performance, and it will even have a hybrid powertrain option, which is highly anticipated. Regarding its design, the 2025 Fiat Fastback will most likely keep its signature coupe SUV shape, which has been one of the car's selling points. Nevertheless, it is expected to undergo small but noticeable style changes to keep it current and in line with the developing Fiat brand's aesthetic. As it undergoes its evolutionary process, it may get new front and rear bumpers with a more aggressive or streamlined look, a front grille with updated patterns, and modern alloy wheels with better designs to improve its appearance. It is expected that Fiat would provide a variety of fresh and attractive external and interior color options, as is usual with the model year revisions, enabling greater customization. To further differentiate themselves from the more entry-level variants, higher trim levels of the 2025 Fastback may receive distinctive styling features like premium lighting signatures, exclusive badging, or specific body accents. These will appeal to buyers who are looking for a more upscale appearance. The 2025 Fiat Fastback's cabin is also going to get a slew of upgrades, with the main ones being tech features and the quality of materials used all over the place. One area that could use an overhaul is the multimedia infotainment system, which is essential for today's drivers. The most recent version of Fiat's infotainment system is expected to be integrated, according to industry expectations. This version will have faster processing speeds, better graphics, and updated connectivity features to make it work better with the modern digital lifestyles. Consumer demand for seamless smartphone integration is driving the widespread availability or eventual standardization of wireless technologies like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across most trim levels. Fiat may upgrade the cabin's ambience and perceived quality by introducing new and exclusive materials for the inside, different textures for different surfaces, and revised trim options. Upgraded leather or suede-like materials may be a nice addition to higher-end trims, as could distinctive interior features like brushed aluminum or wood grain finishes, creating an atmosphere that is more elegant and refined for the people riding in them. Some minor ergonomic adjustments could be made to make the controls that are used most often easier to use or to make the interior storage solutions more practical, maybe influenced by comments from current owners and reviews of the vehicle. As has been the case from the model's start, the 2025 Fiat Fastback is likely to keep offering a selection of turbocharged petrol engines that are both efficient and performance-oriented. The popular 1.0-liter and 1.3-liter turbocharged engines will probably be around for a while, maybe with some minor tweaks to make them even more fuel-efficient or somewhat more powerful. An eagerly awaited hybrid powertrain option, however, is the most noteworthy powertrain development for the 2025 model year. In response to rising customer demand for greener automobiles, this strategy shift is in line with the industry-wide trend toward electrification. The T200 hybrid system, which has previously been mentioned in Fiat Pulse hybrid announcements, is anticipated to be integrated into the Fastback lineup. A mild hybrid system, which usually consists of a small electric motor and battery to augment power, enhance fuel economy, and decrease emissions, is paired with a modest and efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine in these vehicles. Transmission options will likely include both conventional automatic gearboxes and the more economical continuously variable transmission, CVT, depending on the engine and the trim level. In keeping with its sportier chassis, increased power output, and enhanced handling, the Abarth variant of the Fastback is anticipated to keep its more performance-oriented automatic gearbox. It is widely believed that the 2025 Fiat Fastback would get extensive upgrades to its safety features and the technological infrastructure, with a focus on ADAS. Fiat is anticipated to increase the availability of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS technologies across its Fastback lineup in order to stay competitive in its class and meet more demanding safety standards. Some examples of such features include blind spot monitoring, which notifies drivers of vehicles in their blind spots, adaptive cruise control, which keeps a predetermined distance from the vehicle ahead, lane keeping assist, which helps avoid lane departures, and autonomous emergency braking, which can automatically apply the brakes in the event of a collision. That could be standard on higher trim levels or made more widely available. Improved smartphone integration possibilities, more seamless wireless charging options, and more strategically positioned USB connections for charging devices throughout the cabin are all things to look forward to in terms of connectivity features. Drivers in markets where digital instrument clusters are already available may see improvements to the visuals, more display options, or extra features that allow them to personalize their driving data experience. The Fiat Fastback has successfully positioned itself in the subcompact SUV and crossover market as an attractive, feature-rich, and reasonably priced alternative. With the introduction of the new hybrid powertrain, additional amenities, and technical advancements, Fiat will likely make the required adjustments to their competitive pricing plan for the 2025 model year. Appealing to a younger, more urban-centric clientele, the Fastback's unique coupe SUV style, emphasis on current technology, and extensive feature set make it an attractive choice for those who value both practicality and style in a vehicle. Comprehensive analysis of the possible 2025 Fiat Fastback. The highly competitive subcompact SUV market is getting a more alluring and technologically sophisticated product with the 2025 Fiat Fastback. The 2018 model year is likely to bring slight refinements to its already unusual coupe-like appearance, which sets it apart from a sea of more traditional SUVs. The combination of a fuel-saving hybrid powertrain with the continued use of efficient turbocharged engines guarantees an optimal trade-off between performance and fuel consumption. Buyers who value technology and safety will be even more enticed by the addition of a state-of-the-art infotainment system with improved connectivity and the expected growth of advanced driver assistance systems. Positive aspects. Distinct and attractive design. Fastbacks continue to be popular due to their coupe SUV silhouettes, which provide a more exciting and aesthetically pleasing alternative to more conventional subcompact SUVs. Efficient turbocharged engines with a new hybrid option. The current gasoline engines are very powerful, and the increasing need for fuel economy and reduced emissions is met by incorporating a hybrid powertrain. Despite its coupe-like roofline, the Fastback has an unexpectedly roomy trunk, making it more useful for daily tasks. Updates to the infotainment system and the possibility of a better digital instrument cluster are two ways the Fastback will integrate modern technology to keep up with the competition in the in-car tech market. An increase in driver assurance and safety is one benefit of the planned rollout of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Possible areas of deficit. Taller passengers may find themselves with significantly less headroom in the back seats due to the vehicle's sloping roofline, which adds to its fashionable appeal. Not available in all international markets. At this time, the Fastback is mostly sold in South American regions. It is unclear at this time whether Fiat plans to increase its presence in other regions. Public access to crash test results. Crash test data that is both thorough and easily accessible may not be available to everyone, as is the case with certain automobiles that are mostly sold in certain locations.